Here, just getting ready to plate up some of this cassarese pasta with the cremini mushrooms. If you watched the last video, you're going to see a bunch of really cool cremini mushrooms and some facts about them. In this video, I'm just plating it up here. So I'm going to put some of it right on the plate like this. Generous portion. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, that's hot. Looking really, really good. I'm putting a couple of meatballs here. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, like this. And I got a little bit of ragu, a marinara reduction. We're going to put right in the middle like this. Oh yeah. Nice. We're also going to put a little garnish of fresh asparagus around this plate, just like this. And we're going to finish with the Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah, a little bit of that hard cheese. You can only get Parmigiano Reggiano from a special region in Italy. That's why it's so good. It's aged at least a couple of years. Oh yeah. Finished plate. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Share. Try out this pasta recipe. Oh yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. It's gonna be good. Subscribe right there. Cremini is a baby portobello. These are really nice. They're farm raised and they're grown indoors. This particular mushroom is cultivated with a bunch of different substances. They use ground wood pulp as well as a little bit of fertilizer, things like that. But they are USDA 100% organic and they're very natural. Mushrooms are loaded with a ton of nutrients and vitamins. I'm going to get into that a little more. But with this, no cuts. Okay, this is a reversible stainless steel glove. And it's made in the USA. It's one of them cool exclusive things from your sponsor there. So this Japanese knife is razor sharp. It will cut through any glove that's not super high quality. This is like a cut level 5 plus. The plus is what's important. Braided stainless steel fibers. So that's what's stopping. This glove, by the way, is about 10 years old. Still going. So I'm going to cut these mushrooms pretty fast, and that's why you keep your fingers rolled back and wear a glove. With that, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to add some nutrition facts and things down at the bottom here, and you need to make sure you get cooking. Have a great day, and for more knife tips, Japanese handmade knives, sharpening, and all kinds of other cool things, check out the channel. Get cooking and I'll be back. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. This is good to go. Yeah, and now we repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh. Extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Monsters label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes. How to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.